Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're featuring what might just be the best Christmas wall decals on the market, the Afmivs Snowflake window clings for glass windows. Whether you're decorating for the holiday season or just want to add a touch of winter magic to your space, these removable Santa, Reindeer, and Snowflake stickers will transform your windows, walls, and more. The Afmivs Snowflake window clings come with a total of 321 pieces, spread across 9 sheets. Inside the set, you'll find a beautiful collection of snowflakes, dots, and other fun holiday designs that instantly create a festive atmosphere. With their irregular shape and classic winter theme, these clings are perfect for Christmas, New Year's celebrations, and even winter wonderland parties. What makes these window clings stand out is how easy they're to use. No glue is required, and they can be applied to any smooth surface. Just spray a little water on the area, press the clings on, and then smooth them out. The best part? They leave no residue behind, so you can remove and reapply them multiple times without any hassle. Once you're done using them, simply store them in a cool place, and they'll be ready to use again next year. These snowflake decals are not just for windows. They can be placed on mirrors, glass doors, refrigerators, and even smooth walls, making them extremely versatile for decorating all around your home or office. With a size of 11.8 by 7.8 inches per sheet, there's plenty of coverage to create a stunning holiday scene. Durability is another key feature. These decorations are reusable, so you don't have to worry about them fading or losing their stickiness after just one use. Just ensure they're kept in a cool, dry place when not in use, and they'll last for many seasons to come. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to bring the holiday spirit into your home, the Afmivs Snowflake window clings are the perfect solution. They're an affordable and festive way to decorate your space for Christmas and beyond, without the need for any permanent changes. These clings are a fantastic option for anyone who loves the holidays but doesn't want the hassle of traditional decorations. Get yours today and start transforming your home into a winter wonderland.